In this video, I am designing a modern logo identity for a highway construction company called National Norway. Before sketching, I started with some quick research to understand the construction industry and visual direction. I also wrote down a few important keywords like modern, road, minimal, construction, professionalism to help guide the design process. After that, I moved into sketching and explored different concepts using the letter N combined with road inspired shapes. I wanted the logo to feel geometric, clean, and easy to recognize. So once I selected the strongest concept, I recreated it digitally inside Adobe Illustrator and refined the spacing, proportions, and overall balance. For the color combination, I went to Adobe Color and searched for construction related color combinations. After exploring different palettes, I selected orange, black, and neutral tones because they represent confidence, visibility, strength, and professionalism. For the typography, I chose a clean sans serif font to keep the brand modern and professional. The font I used for this project is Satoshi. You can also find many great free fonts from websites like Google Fonts or fontshare.com. The final logo combines the letter N with a highway inspired road shape to represent movement, infrastructure, and progress. If you enjoyed this process video, make sure to subscribe for more logo design and branding content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next project.